Few people will admit to you that they secretly spy on other people, but now this makes no sense because cameras are everywhere and capture the movements of literally every molecule. Today you will see the most amazing moments that were captured on a surveillance camera. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
Always be careful and look at your feet if you don't want to be in the place of this girl. Why did the employee even reach there with his hand? Congratulations to the owner of this car with a new car as an apology. After the girl was refused to sell without a mask, she simply took off her underwear and covered her face with it. Everyone was in shock. You won't believe it, but snakes have learned to open doors themselves. I think this is her room now. It seems to me that it is necessary not to run away from the problem, but to solve it. In this video, the girl made too many mistakes. At first, she almost left during the refueling, and then completely slammed the door with the keys inside. It's good that she was helped twice. The girl could not open the door and it fell right on the table. She just had to pull the handle on herself. How quickly the situation has changed. Now the girl is in the role of the victim. I hope she runs well. Wow, the old man is still full of energy. Would you be able to do the same? I'm waiting for an answer in the comments. He had only one task, to clean the rug. But alas, even here he failed. We've seen car crashes, boat crashes, here's a cyclist crash. I think they eventually became good friends. The man has a good reaction. Would you be able to do that? This dude wanted to show the girls his strength by beating a trash can, but apparently did not know that it was spinning. Do not do this, otherwise you may hit the most important organ. Someone is very well disguised. Surely a dumpster can't move by itself. You want the best, but it turns out as always. I hope that the girl is not offended by the guy, he's not on purpose. Korn realized that she didn't really want to cook in boiling water, so she decided to leave unnoticed. This guy was apparently lazy at work, for which he was punished. The mother of the 100th level thought that her child sat down and went on business. Instant karma. That's why you don't need to wash your dirty feet in the sink, there's a shower for that. Virtual reality glasses can be fun, but don't forget that this is just an illusion. Such an unusual video was discovered by a resident of the house when he looked at the recordings from the intercom. Now it's dawned on me where Santa Claus gets his presents from. If I see you here again, you'll be left without legs at all. These are about the thoughts of this cat. You can immediately see the jack of all trades. Here's a little bend, here's a little hit, that's all, a new car. The driver didn't think he had such a big truck until he knocked down an entire gas station. A young couple was walking in the park until they stepped into fresh concrete. How happy the workers will be when they see someone's footprints. The guy wanted to surprise the girl with his powerful motorcycle, but overdid it. one electric scooter against 7 of the same. Who do you think will win? After buying a new moped, you should first learn how to use it. It seems the dog has lost sight. Otherwise, I do not know how you can miss and jump on the hood instead of the cabin. He really thought it would work. I ask faint-hearted people to turn away and everyone else to put the food away. What a nightmare. Someone greatly exaggerated thinking that he would take it all away at one time. The fish jumps out of the aquarium to say hello to the child. Amazing reaction. Congratulations to a man with such a wife. A real woman. Who ordered dessert there? Get it. Don't forget to leave a tip. This is the funniest theft of all. He seemed to really think he was going to leave with this thing. By the way, what is it? Write your suggestions in the comments. The girls just decided to steal pizza from the courier while he went into the store. Everyone can hold a jar in their hands. But not everyone can hold like this. I believe that the authorities did the right thing by setting such traps. Is it really so difficult to walk around on the sidewalk and not walk on a beautiful lawn? I do not wish such friends to anyone. Instead of helping, she took out her phone and started filming. The guy is sleeping on the street and does not even suspect that a snake is slowly creeping towards him. When he saw her, he immediately jumped up. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your like and write in the comments which video you like the most. See you soon. Peace.